the Tiger King. The chapter was all clear to everyone. The plot.
Ma'am.
Chiransh, Mohit, is the plot clear? Akshat, I shared the PPT that we talked about through the class in that group, broadcast group as well.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. What?
Akshat, repeat again.
Not able to.
Akshat, you are not properly audible. ढंग से बोलो या chat box में लिख के भेजो. Mohit, you were saying something.
Comment from you is your ma'am.
Mohit, you are not properly audible. Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, now is it clear?
Yes, it is better.
So, ma'am, pardon, ma'am, you are saying something about me that it is clear. Ma'am, what is clear?
I was asking that with the Tiger King chapter that we read in the previous class, the story, the plot is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay. Akshat, you can write your concern in the chat box. Are you able to get the PPT or not? Did you receive the PPT? I sent it through the broadcast group. Okay. Now on this note, boys, I told you already that we will be talking about the later part of the criticism of the chapter, that what all things are being highlighted by the chapter. So let me share my screen and we'll move on to the rest part of the chapter. Yes, I hope my screen is visible. Yes. Akshat, Chiransh, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So now this is a small, you can say a mind map or the plot of the whole chapter is put down in this particular page. Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, Tiger King. Yes. Astrologer's warning, beware of killing 100 tiger. King's tiger killing mission. Destiny proved to be powerful. Prophecy comes true, king killed by wooden tiger. Diwan provided the 100 tiger. All the major events. Yes, all the major events. Yes, Akshat, you can refer to the video also, Bacha. I uploaded the video as well for Tiger King first lesson that we did. Second lesson, go through it. Even if then you are not able to understand, you can ask your doubts. I will clarify. Okay, Akshat. Good evening, Harshit.
Ma'am, video is not visible.
Video is visible on Prep Master. Did I post it on Prep Master or not? Let me check. Wait.
Ma'am, posted.
Second video is posted on Prep Master, bacha. Yes, okay. On this note, all the major events of the chapter are highlighted through this mind map, you can say, or the plotting map. So, Chiransh, can you quickly read all these circles?
Yes, ma'am. Determined to disprove the
prophecy of the astrologer.
Yes, ma'am. A moral fear of the Britisher. Astrologer warning, beware of killing 100 tiger. King's tiger killing mission. Destiny proved to be powerful. What is this?
Prophecy comes true.
Prophecy comes true, killed by wooden tiger. Diwan provided 100 tiger. Married princes from a state with large tiger population. Hurdles.
Yes.
Durai Congress.
Durai Congress, yes.
Upbringing, British influence. 10 days old prince. Astonishes everybody.
Yes. So though they are not given in serial wise order, they are given that all the major events of the chapter have been given to you. Yes. So now, yes, Akshat, you were right. I had not, I think, pasted the link of the video, though the thing was made, but I think forgot to paste it on the thing. I am adding the videos today itself, so you'll be able to see them, and I think the chapter would then be clear. So I hope this part of the plot is clear to everyone, that what the chapter is trying to tell us regarding its story. Now we are going to talk about the irony and satire in the Tiger King. Yes. So Mohit better read.
Ma'am, screen is not visible now. Should I read?
It is not visible.
No, ma'am.
Mohit, pin me or refresh your screen. In the meantime, Harshit, you read. Harshit, are you there? Not responding. Akshat better read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, bacha. Irony and satire in the Tiger King.
Irony that reveals the follies of autocratic and willful rulers who float all laws and bend them to suit their selfish interests. The dramatic irony, Tiger King alone is unaware that his bullet had not killed the 100th tiger. The other characters and the readers anticipate his doom as he celebrates his triumph over his destiny. The king wanted to prove the astrologer wrong and to save his life. Ironically, to avoid death, he actually invites him. The lofty titles used to introduce the Tiger King, suggesting an invincible ferocity are indeed ironic, for he is famously killed by a cheap, crudely made wooden toy tiger, which became the tool of nature's revenge. Irony is indeed of when the surgeons announced the operation successful and declared the king dead.
Yes. Thank you, Akshat. So irony reveals the follies of autocratic and willful rulers. Autocratic means those who think that they are the only one who can rule. Yes, they are the only one who can rule, and their rule will be followed. Nobody has any say. Willful means they go by their own wish, who flout all laws. Flout means skip all the laws and mold them, bend them according to their selfish interest. Now, dramatic irony. Dramatic irony is something. Yes, who is it? Mohit, is it you?
Yes, ma'am. Now the screen is visible.
Okay, beta, I am explaining this part of the screen. Then after that, I'll ask you to read. Yes, so the dramatic irony. Tiger King alone is unaware that his bullet had not killed the 100th tiger. See the irony of the situation, that the person who has to kill the 100th tiger is unaware that the tiger that was to be killed by him has remained unkilled. 100 tiger wala yaad hai? The Diwan arranged a tiger, and the Tiger King assumed that his bullet had killed the tiger. The other characters and readers anticipate his doom. So the others are able to foresee that his death is going to come soon. But the king is busy in his triumph over his destiny. The king is befooled, and the king doesn't know about it. The king wanted to prove the astrologer wrong and to save his life. Ironically, to avoid death, he actually invites it. Now, the king wanted since the beginning to prove the astrologer wrong, that he would not be killed by any tiger, and he wanted to save his life. Ironically, with his action, he is inviting his own doom. Yes, he becomes careless. The wooden tiger tricks him and he dies. The lofty titles used to introduce the Tiger King. Lofty means very high-headed titles. Suggest an invincible ferocity. Invincible means unconquerable. Ferocity means wildness. They are indeed ironic because he is finally killed by a cheap wooden toy tiger. See, the king who was so grand, yes, so powerful, is killed by what? A toy tiger. Yes, so the nature's way of taking revenge. Now, irony is indeed very sharp here because the surgeons announce that the operation was successful. Operation को हम successful कब कहते हैं? When do we say that the operation was successful? Yes, anyone? Akshat, Chiranj, Harshit, Mohit. When do we say that the operation is successful? When do the doctor say that the operation is successful? Nobody is going to respond. Akshat, Chiranj, Harshit.
When patient is successfully rescued.
Yes, when the patient is successfully rescued. और यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? They have stopped the infection, but the patient is dead. So see the irony of the statement. Operation is successful, but the patient is dead. Yes. Now the instances of satire. Irony का मतलब मैं आप लोगों को फिर से याद दिला देती हूँ. Irony is when you are saying something and it means exactly opposite. Exactly opposite means the literal meaning is something else and the inherent meaning is exactly opposite. Right? And satire is indirect remark, indirect comment when you are not saying anything directly but indirectly through various sources. So we are now going to talk about instances of satire. Mohit, bacha read.
Yes, ma'am. Instances of satire. When the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram was told that he would be killed by a tiger, he could never imagine the twist in fate where a toy tiger could be fatal. Sorry. The
Grandeur.
grandeur associated with the king's life proves a mockery. The story also satirizes the corrupting influence of power. Just because the Tiger King had power, he felt he could browbeat his subjects and even defeat fate. He neglected his responsibilities as a ruler. He neglected the welfare of his subjects, his family, increased and reduced taxes at will, and sacked his officers. They feared him, or else he would have learned the truth. When we see the kings gloating over his bravery after killing the 100-old weak, we notice that the Kalki is satirizing the notions of the cowardice and bravery. Kalki is also criticizing the king's men and subjects who pander to these whims out of fear, or like the shopkeeper manipulate and fool him.
Yes. So satire is indirect comment on the ways of the king. Throughout, the king and his men are satirized. When the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram was told that he would be killed by a tiger, he could never imagine. See the satire that he was not able to even imagine that he was killing the real tigers, but his death would come through a toy tiger. So the satire is there that the king tries to control everything, but finally he fails at the hand of a toy tiger. The grandeur associated with the king's life proves a mockery. The names are so grand, the power is so grand, and what is the king doing all the time? Killing tigers. Only killing tigers. So this is a mockery, a fun. The writer is trying to make a fun indirectly of the motives of the king. The story also satirizes the corrupting influence of power. That how the people who are powerful are corrupt by nature. They use or they mold the things according to their wish. They don't think about the public welfare. Just because the Tiger King had power, he felt he could browbeat his subjects, he could rule his subjects, he could turn them according to his wish and even defeat fate. He did not realize that death is inevitable and it has to come one day. He cannot change his fate. Then he neglected his responsibility as a ruler. Do you think, agar ek baat batao acha mujhe, if Tiger King, if this young Bahadur would have been taking care of his subjects, taking care of the welfare of the people, और उसके साथ साथ अगर वो 100 टाइगर्स किल कर रहा होता, तो जो 100 टाइगर के केस में हुआ, that the hunters did not tell him, would they have done the same? Would they have done the same? अगर किंग मर्सीफुल होता, king concerned hota apni people ke liye, then the hunters would have done the same, or they would
No,
have
ma'am.
told the king.
Ma'am, they would have told the king, ma'am, because in this situation, ma'am, they were also honest to their king and they were also loving to their king. They
Yes.
don't wanted the king to fight just because of one tiger.
Yes, so it is a satire on the ways of the king, that if the king is not true, is not honest to his job, then how can the other people be? So he did not fulfill his responsibility as a ruler. He neglected the welfare of his own people, his family, his subjects, and he was all the time giving the warnings, giving the dares that I am going to reduce the tax or I am going to increase the tax. And he also punished his officers. Yes, so that the outcome was they all feared him. Nobody was willing to tell him the truth of the 100 tiger. Now, when the king was gloating over his bravery, gloating means talking about his bravery, emphasizing upon it, popularizing it. After killing the 100th-old weak tiger, then the writer was satirizing on his cowardice and bravery. That how the king, who was telling himself to be brave, was actually calling himself so-called brave by killing a weak old tiger. मीन्स 100 टाइगर जो कि एक वीक और ओल्ड टाइगर था उसे मार के किंग अपनी ब्रेवरी को शो कर रहा था, वेदर ही वाज कावर्ड और ब्रेव. कावर्ड होता है कायर. सो वेदर ही वाज अ कावर्ड और ब्रेव, ही हैज लेफ्ट फॉर हिज रीडर्स टू आइडेंटिफाई कि एक 100 टाइगर जो कि एक वीक टाइगर था उसे मार के अगर कोई किंग अपने आप को ब्रेव कहता है तो शायद ब्रेवरी की डेफिनेशन चेंज हो जानी चाहिए. Kalki here is also satirizing king's subjects, means the servants who were serving the king, who pander to his whims out of fear, who accept everything, every wild imagination of the king just because of fear. And in the same manner, just because of the fear of the king कि king क्या कहेगा, ये 2 annas and a quarter का toy tiger है, just because of that fear he manipulated the price and befooled the king. So these are all satire, indirect comment on the people who are in power and who exploit their rights, their power for their own wish, for fulfilling their desires. Ultimately, they see their fate, they see their destiny, and the outcomes definitely are lethal. Yes, are fatal to them. Fatal means deadly. Yes. Next, humor in the Tiger King. The instance of Stuka Bomber, King's offer of माँ हमने already पढ़ लिया. Incoherent blabbering by the Diwan, ये हमने सब humor पढ़ा. Yes, so I am not taking you further to this. Now, anything that you are not able to understand, Akshat, as you said, you are not able to understand through the PPT. I have uploaded the videos, both the videos on Prep Master. You can have access to it. And still, if anything is doubtful, you can ask. I think with the questions that we will be discussing now, you will have an idea that how you need to go ahead with the story and in what lines you need to read it. Right? So I'm sharing my screen once again. Firstly, we will do the questions from the previous PPT that we did. And then I'll share some more important questions with you. Okay. So I'm here sharing my screen once. I hope the concept of irony and satire is very clear to all of you in the chapter. Yes? Akshat, Chiransh, Harshit, Mohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Because definitely a question would be there that reflect on the concept of irony or satire as reflected in the chapter, because they are the crux around which the chapter is revolving. So again, I'm sharing my screen. We'll read some questions. I'll explain them, that in which line they are being answered, and then we'll move ahead. Harshit, will you read? Okay, Chiransh, better read question and answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Who is the Tiger King? Why does he get that name? The Tiger King is the king of Pratibandhapuram, Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur. He got that name because when he was born, the chief astrologer told that his death would come from a tiger. For this reason, he determined to kill tiger and hunt them in his entire life.
Yes.
What did the royal infant grow up to be? The royal infant grew up to be a fine hunter and
Marksman.
marksman. He grew taller and stronger. When he was a boy, he drank milk of an English cow. He was tutored by an Englishman and he saw English movie. What was the Maharaja do to find the required number of tigers to kill? The Maharaja had killed 70 tigers quite successfully, but by then the tiger population in the kingdom became extinct. So the king decided to marry the royal family of a state which have a large population of tigers and continued with the mission of tiger hunting.
I hope all the answers are clear that why he was called Tiger King, because the moment he was born, the astrologer forewarned or predicted that he would be killed by a tiger. So the sole aim of Jung Bahadur was to kill all the tigers. That's why he was named as the Tiger King. The royal infant grew up to be a fine hunter and marksman, means the one who can easily mark his target. He grew taller and stronger. When he was a boy, he was brought up like the princes of other regions of India. He was given the milk of an English cow. He was tutored by an Englishman and he saw only English movies. So the upbringing was very similar to the other princes of other estates of India. So, firstly, he exhausted the tigers, he killed the tigers in his own estate, and then he married a girl from a state where there was large population of tigers so that he could complete his mission of killing 100 tigers. Akshat, which I read further.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 4 and 5, read them.
How will the Maharaja prepare himself for the 100 times, which he is supposed to decide his fate? Answer. The Maharaja had killed 91 tigers and he was only a step ahead from completing his vow. But tigers became extinct both in his kingdom and in his in-laws. But he remembered that he needed to be extremely careful with the 100 tigers, as the chief astrologer predicted that even after killing 99 tigers, he should beware of 100 tigers.
Yes, so we need to talk about his preparation about the 100 tiger. Yes, Akshat, continue with our 5th question.
What will now happen to the astrologer? Do you think the prophecy was indisputably disproved? Answer. No harm will be done to the astrologer because the king had challenged the astrologer when he was angry. But after killing the 100 tiger, the king must be very happy and he would forgive the astrologer. No, the prophecy was not indisputably disproved because the king was not successful in killing the 100 tiger as his shot was missed.
Yes. So, firstly, we have been told that after killing the 100 tiger, so-called assumed 100 tiger, what will now happen to the astrologer? So, obviously, he would not be harming the astrologer, but he would be making the astrologer all the time realize that how his prophecy turned out to be false, because he had won, so he must be very happy, and as a result he would have forgiven the astrologer. But the prophecy did not prove to be wrong actually, because the king had not killed the 100 tiger. It was killed by the other hunters. His shot was missed, so as a result the just a toy tiger was the source of killing the 100 tiger. Yes. So now let us read some more questions from the chapter, and then I think we'll be able to wind up the chapter. In the meantime, I am again sharing my screen. I want you to get hold of your book, and some textbook questions are given. Yes, you can read them and then I'll start asking about them, that what do those questions tell you. Yes, many of these questions have already been discussed directly or indirectly through these or through the other pointers, but still I want you to go through those questions. In the meantime, I'm sharing my screen once again. Anything that you want to ask related to the chapter, you can ask. Yes, I hope my screen is visible again. Yes, is my screen visible again? Boys, Akshat, Chiransh, Harshit, Mohit, anyone please respond.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So in this, these notes are made by me, and in these notes, I have tried my level best to make the things as clearer as possible, and all the major events have been marked with subheadings. Yes. Now let us talk about the theme. Satire is also explained. So Mohit, bacha read from theme.
Ma'am, I have to.
Yes, from the theme.
Yes, ma'am. Theme: animals and birds are as much a part of the nature as human beings are. The destruction or haphazard
Haphazard.
haphazard haphazard killing of one species may not only lead on its extinction, but adversely affect of the ecological balance also. Each species, however, whosoever fears deadly,
Ferocious.
ferocious or poisonous, has its role in maintaining the ecological balance in the nature. Eccentric, dominating kings of the olden times, impulsive, irrational, arrogant.
Arrogant.
Use
Yes.
are the use of the humor, irony, exaggeration, or ridicule to expose and criticize people's stupidity or vices, particularly in the context of the contemporary politics and other topical issues. Here, those peoples who are in the power, such as the Tiger King, are being satirized. The dramatic irony of a literacy technique, originally used in the Greek tragedy, by which the full significance of a character's words or action is clear to the audience or readers, although unknown to the character. The Tiger King gets killed by the tiger hundred, and ironically by the mere wooden tiger. A mere silver old wood kills the king. The Tiger King thinks that he has killed the tiger, but ironically he hasn't. This information is known only to the readers and not to the character.
Yes.
Now,
So I
should I
hope,
read the message?
wait, bacha, wait. So I hope dramatic irony, satire are all clear. Yes, and you people are not going to get confused between the two. Right? Now, message. The message that the writer is trying to give us is the Maharaja's indiscriminate killing of tigers led to their extinction in some states, but the Maharaja was oblivious. Oblivious means forgetful or unconcerned of the serious consequences his action was leading to. The author strikes home the message that the ruler's primary duty should be the welfare of the citizen. Yes, he did not realize how his people were getting against him, were not having any empathy towards the king. Yes, so the writer is trying to give us the message that the ruler's primary major duty is to think about the welfare of the citizens, of his people. So let us go through some of the important questions and long answer type questions. Harshit, bacha read.
How did the Tiger King meet his son? What is ironically about his fate? The Maharaja of Trigandapuram, who was also known as the Tiger, tried to revenge what was destined in his
Destined,
fate. The result was tragic and ironical. What, ma'am?
destined in his fate.
The result was tragic and ironical. He astrologer had predicted that the tiger would be the cause of king's death, and he should specially be wary of hunted tiger. The vain king banned hunting of tigers in the state where everyone expects himself and was able to kill 99 tigers. He thought he had killed the 100 tiger also, but someone the bullet missed its mark and the 100 tigers survived. Then on his son's birthday, the king bought him the wooden tiger, which he felt was a perfect gift for his son. One of the sharp splinter in its pierced the king's hand, and infection spread all over his arm, causing his death. It was indeed ironical that despite killing all the tigers in his kingdom, the king finally became the victim of 100 tiger, and the astrologer prediction did come true.
Yes. I hope there is no problem in this question. We can move ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, describe the efforts made by the Tiger King to achieve his target of killing 100 tigers. Chiransh, read beta.
The chief astrologer had told the king that his jet would come from a tiger and he should be specially warned of the 100 tiger. So to prove the astrologer wrong, the king decided to kill 100 tigers. He vowed that he would attend to all other matters only after killing 100 tigers. Initially, the king seemed well, set to realize his ambition. Then some dangers and difficulties cropped up. There were times when the bullet missed its mark, and at other times, the tiger would leap on him, and he would have to fight the wild beast with his bare hands. The Tiger King was able to kill 99 tigers this way, and if he could kill just one more tiger, all his fear would be over for good, and he could give up tiger hunting. But 100 tiger could not be found. The, the Divan realized the disastrous result. If the 100 tiger was not found, so a tiger was brought in from the People Park in Madras and taken directly to the forest where the Maharaja was hunting. The king took aim and the tiger fell in a heap. The Maharaja was extremely happy to have finally killed the 100 tigers. After he left, the hunters took a closer look at the tiger and realized the tiger was not dead, and the king has missed the aim. They decided not to tell the Maharaja, and one the hunter killed the tiger. The king was left under the impression that he had achieved the target of killing 100 tigers.
Yes. Next, when did the Tiger King stand in danger of losing his kingdom? How was he able to avert the danger? Yes. Mohit, read.
Yes, ma'am. Why was the sorry? When did the Tiger King stand in danger of losing his kingdom, and how was he able to avert the danger? A high-ranking British officer who was actually a coward wanted to kill a tiger to flaunt himself before his companions. When he was not allowed to hunt the tiger, he sent a word to the king that he would be happy if he would just allow to be photographed with the dead tiger killed by the king. But the king was
Adamant.
adamant, adamant, and did not agree to his request because it was to encourage the officers to come with the similar demands. The king thus seriously
Angered.
angered the victims. Yes, ma'am.
Angered.
Angered the visiting senior British officer and now stood in danger of losing his kingdom itself. So, to pacify the annoyed official, the king and his divan sent bribes of 50 expensive diamond rings to the official wife, hoping she would select one or two and return the rest. But the greedy lady kept all the rings. The king, no doubt, lost a few lakhs, but emerged to save his throne and was thus able to avert the danger of losing his kingdom.
Avert means avoid or to come out. Yes. Akshat, question number 4.
Why was the king worried after having killed 99 tigers? How did his worries come to an end? At the birth of the king, an astrologer had predicted that the tiger would be responsible for his death. At the age of 20, the state astrologer had told him to be wary of the 100 tigers. The Tiger King had killed 99 tigers, and now he just needed to kill one one tiger to reach his tally of killing 100 tigers. Then he would have no fears left. So uh, he, he, he was
Feverishly.
feverishly anxious to kill the 100 tigers at the earliest. But the tiger farms ran dry in his father-in-law's kingdom also. Out of frustration, the king terminated the service of many officers and kings of punishing the villagers by doubling the land tax. He also orders his diwan either to resign or find a tiger. The diwan gets worried and upset and recalls the old tiger that has been brought from Madras and kept hidden in his house. He drags the old and weak tiger and drives him to the forest where the king is hunting. The initially hesitant tiger then wanders into the Maharaja's presence and is finally shot by the king.
So the whole process of arranging the 100 tiger has to be explained in detail. Yes. Fifth question. Harshit. Harshit.
And
Yes, Bacha, read question number 5.
the astrologer prediction about the death of the tiger came to be. Do you agree with the statement? Explain why or why not. The chief astrologer had forewarned the king that a tiger would be uh, responsible for his death, and he should be particularly be aware of 100 tiger. After killing the 100 tiger, the king was relaxed and became careless. He didn't know that the 100 tiger had actually survived because the bullet had missed its mark. Finally, it was a tiger who was responsible for the king death. Who it was a toy tiger which he had bought as a birthday gift for his son. The carved toy tiger had a rough surface with a sharp wood splinter. One of the sharp splinter pierced the king's right hand and caused deadly infection that spread all over his arm. The three surgeons tried their level best, but they could not save the king, and so the astrologer prediction did indeed come true. Despite the fact that the king took every measure to avoid the circumstance of his death, the 100 tiger took its final revenge upon the king as predicted by the astrologer.
Yes, thank you, Harshit. So now I am reading the next question. What sort of hunts did the Maharaja offer to organize for the high-ranking British officer? What trait of the officer does it reveal? We need to now talk about the time when the Maharaja refused the British officer that he can't go for a tiger hunt. So which all alternative hunts did he introduce, or Did he suggest? The Maharaja offered to organize a boar hunt, a mouse hunt, or a mosquito hunt for the high-ranking British officer. He offered to organize any hunt other than a tiger hunt. This reveals that the officer was a man who was a meek one. The Maharaja felt would be satisfied with any sort of hunt. It also reveals that he was very fond of hunting tigers and being photographed. Yes, so we need to talk about a bit of characteristic of the officer as well as why the thing was required. Giving a bribe is an evil practice. How did the Tiger King bribe the British officer to save his kingdom? How do you view this act of his? So we have already done how he bribed the British officer. Now we are going to talk about, I'm reading the last 3 lines. He annoyed the British officer and later paid a heavy bribe to appease the official. Even after losing a large amount of money, the Maharaja was happy because he had not only managed to retain his throne, but also dissuaded. Dissuaded means discouraged the British officer from shooting a tiger. Yes. Now, even today, so many among us believe in superstitions. An astrologer predicted about the Tiger King that he would be killed by a tiger. He killed 100 tigers, yet was himself killed by a tiger. How did the superstitious belief prevail? Chiranj, better read this answer.
Yes, ma'am. The chief astrologer has forewarned the king that a tiger would be responsible for his death, and he should be particularly beware of the 100 tiger. After killing the 100 tiger, the king was relaxed and became careless. He did not know that the 100 tiger had actually survived because of bullet had missed its mark. Finally, it was a tiger who was responsible for the king's death, even though it was a toy tiger. which he had brought as a birthday gift for his son. The carved toy tiger had a rough surface with sharp wooden splinters. One of these sharp splinters pierced the king's right hand and caused a deadly infection that spread all over the arm. Three surgeons tried their level best, but they could not save the king, and so the astrologer prediction did indeed come true. Despite the fact that the king took every measure to avoid the circumstance of his death, the 100 tiger took its final revenge upon the king as predicted by the astrologer.
Yes. So I hope that now you will be able to relate to the poem, the chapter. Akshat, I believe the chapter is clearer now. Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but go through the PPT again, go through the videos again, and I'm very sure that the thing will be easily understood by you now. And now, boys, I want last for 10 minutes or 12 minutes are left, so I want you to quickly go through the questions in the book. I will ask any one of you after 2-3 minutes any question to be answered, and you can give your points that what will you write if any such question comes. So quickly go through the questions. 5 questions are there at the end of the chapter.
Ma'am, the NCERT questions.
Yes, bacha, NCERT questions.
Okay.
Okay. Quickly go through the questions, and then if you are stuck somewhere, you can ask yourself that, ma'am, please clarify this question. I'm not able to understand it, and I'll clarify. Yes. Yes, boys. Any problem in any question, or should I ask start? Do you have any problem in any question? If there is any problem, you can raise hand. Otherwise, I'll start asking the question. And in the meantime, you are reading the chapter, reading the questions. I want to remind you that next class, that is Friday, you have your class test on letter writing and notice writing. I hope you both of you know about it. Mohit and
Friday now?
yes, this Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Akshat, you were not there in the last class. So it has been many days that we have started studying together and we have done a lot of topics. So now we need a quick revision also for all those topics. Letter writing and notice writing, a test will be given on Friday during the class. You all are going to switch on your cameras and then you are going to do the test, right?
Ma'am.
So I'll put the instructions and everything on the broadcast group as well so that you people are aware of it. Any problem? Akshat, Harshit, Mohit, in any question? Otherwise, I'll start asking. The story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. How does the author employ the literary device of dramatic irony in the story? Yes, who will answer? Akshat, Harshit, or Mohit? Nobody? मैं ही पूछूं? Okay, Harshit, tell me your views on the question. How has he employed dramatic irony? नहीं, Harshit is not unmuting herself. Mohit,
Ma'am, that the king thought that he has killed all the 100 tigers, ma'am, but the 100 tiger was actually the toy tiger, the wooden toy tiger, from which the king was killed.
yes. So we are going to talk about two aspects. Firstly, the story seems to be a simple story about a king, but at a deeper level, the writer is trying to give us so many indirect messages. For this, he has used dramatic irony very well when the king goes for an expedition for his hunt of killing the 100 tiger. At that time, an old weak tiger is brought for the thing for the hunt. The king believes that his bullet has killed the tiger. The whole state, the whole set of employees, subjects know that the tiger was not killed by the bullet of the king and he will be facing his death by the 100 tiger. But only the king is the one who is unaware. So, and finally, just because of a toy tiger whose splinters are very sharp, the final doom of the king approaches. So here, the king himself, who is trying to change his fate, bounds himself by his own fate because others know and he doesn't know about the bullet missing the mark on the 100 tiger. Right? Now, second question. What is the author's indirect comment on subjecting innocent animals to the willfulness of human beings? Yes. Akshat. Nobody. Try to karo. It is not so difficult. For centuries, animals have been bound or have been exploited, hunted according to the desires of human beings. Even in this case, when the Tiger King comes to know by the astrologer that his death would be due to a tiger, at that time, and he grows up, he starts hunting tiger on the belief that if you are killing a cow for your self defense, then it is right. Yes, so he starts killing tigers on his for defending himself. But unfortunately, his death comes when he believes that he has killed all the tigers and now he's not going to be dead because of a tiger. At that time, his death comes to him by a tiger only, means contradictorily through a toy tiger. So the author is making an indirect comment that human beings have always tried to turn their destiny with their own hands, but they forget that nature is supreme. So, not by a real tiger, the death finally comes by a tiger, even by a toy tiger. Yes? Okay, next question. How would you describe the behavior of the Maharaja's minions towards him? Minions means the unimportant person. Yes? The unimportant person who has to follow every order. Do you find them truly sincere towards him, or are they driven by fear when they obey him? Yes, Mohit.
Ma'am, the means were driven by the fear, ma'am, that when the 100 tiger was killed by, not by the tiger but by the ma'am, the hunters only, ma'am, they are not tell the.
Yes, Mohit, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Then, ma'am, they know that the king was the the tiger was not killed by the king. So ma'am, they decided that they would kill instead of kill the king, kill the tiger instead of telling the king, ma'am, because they were fear of the king. If they would tell the king that the tiger was not killed by them, not killed by him, so he will, ma'am, remove them
Punish
from
them,
the.
yes. He will take away their job and he will punish them severely. Apart from all this, except all these employees, all these minions, only the astrologer is the one who takes a stand, who challenges by mumbling that if my forewarning, if my prophecy comes to be false, I am going to cut my tuft and I'm going to burn all my books and I'll join the job as an insurance agent. So he is the only one who is playing true. Others are all the time playing as flatterers and they are not trying to give the true picture to the king. And what about the last part of the question? Do we find a similarity in today's political path? Yes, we definitely find the similar kind of political relation in today's era also, where the subordinates listen to their seniors as deaf and dumb. They don't realize that whether the welfare of the people is taken into account or not. The only purpose is that their purpose, their job should be secure. Yes, whether the actual honest task is being undertaken or not, it hardly matters to them. Yes, so indirectly, the satire is played on those people also, that how everyone is trying to secure their position. Nobody is concerned about the actual welfare of the people. Yes, that's why corruption is all the time increasing. So now, question number 4. Can you relate the instances of game hunting among the rich and the powerful in present time that illustrate the callousness of human beings towards wildlife? I know hunting has been banned, but still we see various cases where the illegal hunting goes on. We still see many people who are caught with tiger skin, with boar skin, yes, with elephant skin or elephant tusk. Still that illegal hunting goes on even after being banned. So I want your reflection on this regarding this issue. Akshata and Mohit. Here we need to talk about the recent cases that had been there in the court, that even after banning hunting, poaching is banned. Still, many rulers used to go for it. We know the recent case of Salman Khan, how he was uh, tried in court various times for hunting that black deer. Yes. So even after the laws are made, still people go for their callous attitude and for the sake of their joy, their ambitions, their desire, they are not hesitating to kill the animals. Yes. So such instances have been asked. So we can quote the instance of Salman Khan or for various other people who have been punished for their game hunting, hunting for the sake of their leisure. We need a new system for the age of ecology, a system which is embedded in the care of all people and also in the care of the earth and
Excuse
all
me,
life
ma'am.
on it. Yes, Akshat?
Ma'am, actually, there is my class at 7. Can I go?
Okay. So I am leaving just now. So in this question, you need to reflect upon the general attitude that what kind of ecological balance we can create and what all we can do as human beings to generate that happy environment, not only for ourselves, but other creatures also. Okay, so Mohit, you are only left. I hope there is no problem in any question.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you can also leave beta. I'll share the PDF as well as the other PPT on the broadcast group. Okay, and please be prepared for the upcoming test. Thank you.